Hi, my name is Sergey Savastyuk, and today's topic is how to copy trade from AI ticker-centric agents. This is our legal information. You can also find all our legal disclaimers on our website. Today's topic is actually join us on Twitter and YouTube. I will show you what kind of stuff we are uh, placing there. Then I will introduce our ticker-centric bots, single agent and double agents. And then I will show you how to find these AI trading bots from home watch list, our first generation, second generations, and then also how to follow them, okay, and how to set up notifications. So why don't we look at what I just posted on the Twitter? Okay, this is one of the tweets using one of our tools, which is uh, the pattern search engine. As you can see, we see here Apple, right? And then distance to target, so that means potential profit is 12%. And at this moment, it is about 209 per share. And the machine says it can get to 185. I don't know. We'll check it out. But the most, and it was emerged on March 9, which is not far away from today, which is the March 13th. But with the Tesla, it's actually more interesting because look, this pattern, triangle symmetric bottom pattern bearish, emerged on January 22nd, okay? And predicted that it's going to go 23% down from point of 332 at the time to 185. Today's price, which is March 13th, is 240. So it means it's, I would say, 2/3 of the prediction is almost there. Okay. So please join our Twitter channel and you will see a lot of good trade ideas for trading. Okay. And our join our YouTube. There's a lot of interesting stuff, my webcast and other interesting things. Okay. So that's the first thing. The second thing is how we introduce and why we introduce ticker-centric bots, okay? So first, why don't we look at what I did as a slide here on another webcast on February 27, 2025. As you can see, I showed this is the interesting results, peaks of the markets 1929, 1966, 1999. This was the latest where I participated internet bubble burst. And here we are, okay? You see, we didn't see yet quite a significant move down, but we're already witnessing it, okay? So for instance, this is IWM. Another prediction is going to go 20% right now. So it started predicting on March 9, 200 it was, and now it's 198, but it believes it's going to go another 18% down, okay? So what it means it's a very risky to trade with one ticker, even though we have them, but we also have one ticker plus the hedge in the form of the uh, inverse ETFs. Okay, so why don't we jump in to the our website? Okay. So here we're going to, oops. wanna go click on the home watch list. And here's a brief description how to use it. And then here are the some of the stocks, which is interesting. Here is a column where you can make a record when you place that on your whole watch list, okay? And it is that small window is really annoying. Okay, I will expand. The computer is slow today. Okay, so how to find, let's say, our agents, and then we can go like what is known like Microsoft. Okay, you click here. I'm not going to explain how to use the whole watch list. You can find from other presentations. And then we can go and click, you see, Microsoft and QID. I'm clicking here. Okay, and what we see is, so these are the open positions. That's where you get your copy trading opportunities. This is a description, as you can see, buy long, and then also buy long as the hedge, which is the ProShares Ultra Short SZK. Okay, so oh, it's a QID. So if we click here, so first let's look at the close trades, how they look, and exit time, sort by exit time. And as you can see, it's not bad at all. And look, yellow line is Microsoft. And then when Microsoft turned down for the past like couple of weeks, then our AI trading bot is actually up. Okay. So if we close that and go to another one, so show less, go here. Computer is slow today. Go to the, let's say ETFs, let's say QQQ. Do you have QQQ? We can go here. Yeah, I have QQQ and QID. So let's look at the open trades. These are the closed trades. As you can see, this is not bad at all. And as you can see, it's been lately trading QID, which is inverse to the QQQ, which is NASDAQ. And that's a description. And as you can see, it trades QID. So it means sometimes it does trade and enters long position to QQQ and sometimes QID, and it mixes up. And as you can see, looking at this green, the track record pretty good. In order to look inside, we go inside, look at more data. Again, green, it is our agent, and yellow line, orange line, it is NASDAQ. And you see they departing when the NASDAQ goes down, and then we are staying up, okay? So let's examine the statistics. Maximum open 6 position. So it means that you don't open positions more than 6 at a time. Then 85% annual win rate of long positions, okay? And 55, which is the half of a percent, approximately P&L, okay? So it's this picture is looking good, okay? So then what I wanted to show you is how it works, right? So the idea is to find such inverse ETFs, which are going to be giving you an opportunity to trade as a hedge. So as I said, like QQQ and QID, you've seen the results, okay? I call it like a double agents, okay? So if we go here, we're going to close that. And then look at the list of robots. So as I said, we have first generation, which are signals only, and the second generation, like virtual accounts. And we can look at the TSMC, and the SOX, which is also double agent. So 3 position open and all green, close trades, sort by, and as you can see, it's not bad at all. Here we have a 65% win rate, and this is a description: TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor, SOX as a software suite, which is kind of good for the semiconductors. Okay, and then go back, and now I will show you how to find these sticky centric agents, and they are here. And I showed you some of them. And then, for instance, if you want to find Microsoft, you type here Microsoft, and then you here get a description of how it works, and some kind of reminders. Microsoft. Okay, so this is the bot. You click here, and then you know everything. Okay, and go back to the list, and then you can type here QQQ, and also find it from the list. Okay, so this is a single agent which should perform worse than the double agent. If you want, we can look, but there's not no interest. Okay, and then here is the selection of different types of themes. These are the ticker-centric agents. Okay, so if I remove here QQQ, then I get all ticker-centric agents of a second generation. Third generation, it is our brokerage, and then fourth generation is going to be our connection to your brokerage accounts if you decide to subscribe. Okay, and this is a stocks agents. See Walmart, TSMC, Meta, and let's look at the Walmart, the single agent without the hedge, and it doesn't look good. You see, that's my point. In this market condition, it is not a good idea to trade without a hedge. Okay, so let's look what else I promised you to tell today. So how to set up notifications and how to follow. Oh, okay, that's how to follow. It's kind of important thing. So we right now have ability to put these robots on autopilot and then concentrate them on the first generation, and then connect them to the paper trade. So for instance, if I put TSMC on autopilot, okay, you see it first of all, I follow, and then it's on autopilot. Then I go to my paper trades, and that's where I have all, that's my track record. And I don't do the paper trades. I just connect them to our robots right here. These are robots I subscribe, and then they are generating statistics for me. This is my statistic. You see, annualized return is 51%, 78 positions as a win rate for all the robots I selected, and looks good for me. And then you have here open trades, which are going to be showing up right here on the list as a matter of accumulation of all your trades. And these are going to be your closed trades. You can examine them. Okay. So let's go back and set up notifications. Okay. So how to set up notifications? You just go back to the robot. Let's go back to the robots right here. And then we're gonna go to the first generation, and then notifications right here. You see, you can open and close trades, pending orders. And the same thing with the second generation. You always have that ability to set up the notifications, okay? I think I should remove this windows popping up. You see, I'm clicking here, and I'm getting notifications in email and also on the screen. Okay, so what is the promotion we're running right now? In earlier days, we had only one robot at a time. Now, when we introduce ticker-centric robots, then you can have as many as you wish to follow ticker-centric robots for the price of one. Okay, so go pricing page, and then you can get it pretty much and subscribe as them as many as you wish. That concludes my presentation. Hope it was short enough. No, it's still 19 minutes. People don't like long presentation, but I'm trying to make it as short as possible, but there's always too much material to cover. And thank you and goodbye.